You're looking for ways to improve your life. Here are 5 things that can significantly enhance your well-being, along with some practical tips. Prioritize physical health. Tip 1. Move your body. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or simply a brisk walk. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Tip 2. Nourish yourself. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of saturated and unhealthy fats. Tip 3. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Optimize your sleep environment: dark, quiet, cool, and avoid screens before bed. Cultivate mental well-being. Tip 1. Practice mindfulness. Engage in activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga to calm your mind and reduce stress. Tip 2. Connect with others. Spend quality time with loved ones, nurture friendships, and build strong social connections. Tip 3. Express yourself. Explore creative outlets like journaling, painting, playing music, or writing to process emotions and find self-expression. Nurture your relationships. Tip 1. Active listening. Truly listen to others without interruption and show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. Tip 2. Communicate openly and honestly. Share your feelings and needs with loved ones and be receptive to their perspectives. Tip 3. Show appreciation. Express gratitude for the people in your life through words, actions, and thoughtful gestures. Pursue your passions. Tip 1. Identify your interests. Explore your hobbies, talents, and what truly brings you joy. Tip 2. Set goals. Break down larger goals into smaller, achievable steps to stay motivated. Tip 3. Embrace learning. Continuously learn and grow by taking classes, reading books, or attending workshops. Practice self-care. Tip 1. Unplug and disconnect. Take breaks from technology to reduce stress and increase mindfulness. Tip 2. Indulge in relaxing activities. Treat yourself to a massage, a warm bath, or simply spending time in nature. Tip 3. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to commitments that drain your energy and prioritize self-care. Remember that improving your life is an ongoing journey. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. If you're facing significant challenges, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor. Disclaimer: this information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional.